Here's some air conditioners I found in my old town. Gotcha. Here is a Janitrol from, can't even find the serial number.
Are you tired?
No.
All that walking.
No, the freaking serial number is all covered up, and there's and here are some Rheems right there. This was manufactured in May of 2003. This is actually a newer one. And this is another Rheem classic, manufactured in July of 2003.
Nope.
And then here is piece of junk, Goodman. Yeah. Really? Yeah. Hold on. Yeah, it's annoying that Goodman puts the data down there. 09. This is a 2009 Goodman, and then over there we have what?
This one looks old over here.
Over there?
That one there.
That's a 2017.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Maybe they're making them look old. I guess the way it was standing or something.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
This is
look new up front.
A piece of junk. BTG 2017. Yeah. 2 blades. Yeah, and there's the train. Obviously got 3 blades. They also rarely have blades. August 2011. Come on. 2.5 ton. Okay. 2017. 4 ton. Yeah. So I'm gonna walk over there back to the other area.
Okay, just watch that there's no cars.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I tape air conditioners mostly for a hobby, and these stamped Octogon condensing units. I have a YouTuber that I subscribe to. He likes these air conditioners, and let's try to find a tonnage on these 2 Rheems. Okay. Okay. 4.5 ton? There's a 54 in the serial number. So I'm guessing at least 4.5 ton. I'm getting kind of wet here because of the plant. Oh, let them dry in the sun. Come on. Data. Okay. Maybe that's a, yeah. So yeah, a Janitrol air conditioner. Yeah, 2000. Yeah, 2000. And there's a Goodman. Yeah.
Are you serious?
2003 Rheems.
What's your favorite brand, Trey?
I like Train. And yeah, and yeah, 2 4.5 ton Rheems.
You hear that, Trey?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
He likes the Lennox too, because there's a nice quiet one.
Yeah, and
That's one of the quietest ones are the mini splits.
Have you ever heard of this, Trey?
Yeah, I've heard of ductless air conditioners. Yeah, 2 4.5 ton Rheems. And these were both manufactured in 2003. This one's from July and this one's from May. So that's 2 month difference. Sorry. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out. This has been a Tan Fan production. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.